Choosing Epson for your workplace is easy. Our printers come with a 2-year limited warranty. They operate with high-yield consumables. And the Super Tank models come with up to 2 years of ink right in the box. Epson business printers are powered by simple, smart, and clean PrecisionCore technology for heat-free efficiency and low energy consumption. This heat-free technology does not require warm-up time, resulting on a fast first page out, ensuring you have documents in your hands immediately. These printers are engineered for reliability. In fact, they have 2 times more reliability of competitors. Their high-yield inks help with print savings and deliver print shop quality documents. Plus, with zero toner powder, these desktop printers offer low energy consumption, minimal waste, and less printer interventions for more productivity. The Epson Business Inkjet Desktop Printers portfolio. There is a better way to print. Epson.